guys, I just want to let you see. So I shampoo, I just make whatever you see, I make and I just put in my hair right now. Add on the shampoo, whatever you use, baby shampoo, any kind of shampoo, as long as you feel the good shampoo. So I mix with my herb, and now I put in my hair. I just leave about 10 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out. Okay, guys, I see you later, and please keep watching and take a look how I do it, so you will have a good hair and nice and shine and beautiful and get long. So let me go rinse it out right now. I'm sorry I didn't let you see when I put it on because nobody came record for me when I put that herb and shampoo in my hair. So right here, I'll leave for 10 minutes and I'm going to rinse it out and see you when I'm finished. All right. Okay, everybody, after half hour, I just finished shampoo my hair. Look at how nice and shiny. Very shy. See that? Beautiful. Beautiful hair. See that? It's beautiful. Nice and shy. After half hour. How beautiful the hair shine. Look at this. Smells so good also. Everyone, I want you to go ahead try to use this the way I make herb shampoo. Follow me, you know, 1, 2, 3 steps. That's it. It's beautiful. And my hair used to be like tangled and curly. Look at this right here. It's baby hair. And it's smooth out. Yeah, take a look at it. It's so beautiful. Beautiful hair, guys. It's shiny and smooth and easy to comb even when you put finger slide in just like that. I just finished shampoo half hours ago. Yes. You know, when you have long hair, that's what you need to do. It's very good shampoo, make your hair grow and shine, and vitamin healthy looking. See that? Beautiful. Okay, thank you everyone for watching it. If I have another something new come up, I will try to share with you guys. And just take a look at how I do it. So easy, make hair so nice and beautiful and shine just like that. No lotion or after I finish take shower, I just blow dry and comb, and that's it. Look at this, nice and shine. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you next video. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I will show you more and more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.